Our next stop was Adalaj Stepwell, and the entry fees for this stepwell is 25 rupees. So it has a long, beautiful history, why they built it and who built it and how it got finished. It basically has Hindu, Jain, and Islamic architecture and was built using sandstone. And the main reason for building this stepwell is to solve water crisis problem. I mean water problem in Adalaj. So the Rana Veer Singh started off with this construction of this stepwell. When it was under construction, there was war broke out between Rana Veer Singh and Mahmud Begda, and finally Rana Veer Singh got killed in the war, and Mahmud Begda captured Adalaj. And so after the war, after the death of Rana Veer Singh, Mahmud Begda wanted to marry the queen Rudha Devi. She agreed to the marriage with one condition, that if she, so the condition was to complete the stepwell, and then once the construction was completed, Mahmud Begda asked Rudra Devi to marry him, and Rudra Devi went to the stepwell after it got completed, and she got into the water and sacrificed her life in love and affection of her husband Rana Veer Singh. So this place is also considered sacred, and people from local people use this water as in holy water. You go inside the temple, it has different carvings. Every carvings is unique. Morning 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. So make sure that you guys visit early so that you can actually see the whole structure in a broad daylight. 20 kilometers from Ahmedabad Junction and 15 kilometers from the airport, and from Gandhinagar it takes like it is 10 kilometers from Gandhinagar. So yeah. Was at Swami Narayan Akshardham temple. So we were not able to capture anything inside the temple since it is restricted. You have to submit all your mobile phones and all your bags, whatever you carry. You can only carry cash so that you can buy something. If you want to buy something, you can buy things inside the Akshardham temple. So it will take around like 2 hours time to completely cover the entire temple. It has a museum. It has there are a lot of things to cover inside, so it takes at least 2 hours. So after that, we ended up in Pul Bulaya, which is our next stop after Swaminarayan Temple, Akshardham, which you are looking at right now. It's especially for kids. So every ride it costed us like 10 rupees at every ride. So yeah. That's it, guys. So we were supposed to go next to Gandhi Ashram, but by the time it got we got very late since we started in the afternoon, like around 1:30 p.m. So yeah, so we just saw Gandhi Ashram, and we thought of the last one was Kakaria Lake, which is one of the largest lake in Ahmedabad. So we thought of covering it on day 2, since the driver and the guide, driver cum guide told us that it will take at least 4 hours to 5 hours to completely take a tour of Kakaria Lake. So we thought, let's do it in the day 2, since we did not have any plan for day 2. So yes, guys, we'll meet you guys on part 3 to cover Kakaria Lake.